कॅथलिक असोसिएशन ऑफ गोवा हांणी प्रस्तावित विदेशी योगदान दुरुस्ती विधेयक 2026 खर विरोध करून गंभीर घटनात्मक हुस्को उक्तायला। राष्ट्रपती द्रौपदी मुर्मू हांका बरयल्ल्या सविस्तर पत्रात हे विधेयक फाटी घेवपाची मागणी केल्या। या विधेयकाक लागून भारतीय संविधानातल्या मुळाव्या हक्कांचो भंग जातलो आणि लोकशायेच्या मुळाव्या रचणुकेक धोको निर्माण जातलो असो आरोप संघटनेन केला।
When the Prime Minister himself is seeking help, there is every right for every other citizen to seek help. They can ensure that that money is not misused for any other thing. But to say that if there is some fault in the financing of this, receiving the fund or the running of that institute, that they will take over that institute from and clinch it into their own hands and run it according to their is not correct. To snatch it from the hands of this institution is not the right thing to do, and that is what we are protesting. We had initially sent a letter to the Home Minister protesting against it, against that bill, but now we have sent a letter to the President of India. We have emailed her yesterday demanding that this is actually a constitutional challenge. This is challenging the constitution because the basic doctrine, basic structure, doctrine of the Supreme Court is being challenged because they are hitting at the foundation of the growth of the nation. They are hitting at the foundation of the fundamental rights that are enshrined in the constitution and which is not called for. So we have told the President she should intervene because she is the head of the constitution, is the caretaker of the constitution. It is implied by the President that she should see that nobody touches the constitution, nobody tries to play foul with the constitution, and therefore we have appealed to her to intervene and get this bill withdrawn immediately. The key functionaries are governing bodies, managing committees and controlling authorities of societies, trusts, trade unions or associations or individuals. Understood? In that, in clause H, and even political parties, which means an association of body of individual citizens of India registered with the Election Commission of India. Okay. Similarly, it talks about press and registration. Use of press are covered in that. And then it talks of places of worship. In clause 7, clause 57, it talks of places of worship. So it doesn't say Christian place of worship or Muslim place or religious places. So it comes even Hindu places of worship. And when they talk of foreign contribution received, it says received by such person and the assets created out of the foreign contribution shall stand permanently vested in the designated authority under subsection 5. So you see, anything, even a bus today, if it is created as an asset out of 1 lakh foreign funds and 14 lakhs of local funds, that will be considered as funded by foreign contribution and will go into the hands of the government. So this is what we are trying to point out.